San Francisco Bridge. Yan o, tingin nyo sa likod. We're passing by the Golden Gate Bridge. Gandang tanawin. What a sight. Hindi ako makalabas today, so for IPM duties tomorrow ako lalabas. Galing. Nice. So everyone's on the deck taking photos and videos of this famous Golden Gate Bridge here in San Francisco, California. You can also see the guests upstairs. But very nice view. This is one of the iconic places here in San Francisco. Great view. We're passing by here under. Ayan o, dumadaan yung ship under the San Francisco Bridge. And you can see forward there, I think that is Alcatraz, the famous prison here. Lerato and Pumi taking videos. The tourist waving at us. Nice. Welcome to San Francisco, guys. Ayan, makikita nyo ngayon, dumaan kami sa ilalim ng San Francisco Bridge. Napakagaling. Tao sa likod. And The Rock. The famous The Rock. That's where they put the prisoners before. See the city there, San Francisco. Nice one. There you can see forward is The Rock, or what you call or the Alcatraz. Yan. From the movie The Rock, Sean Connery. We're just going to dock. It's around 2 p.m. now. 3 p.m. is the arrival. It's 2 p.m. right now here in San Francisco. Medyo malamig yung hangin. Yan yung The Rock, the Alcatraz. Basta daanan namin kanina yung Golden Gate Bridge. Ang sinasabi yata ng father ko yung Bay Bridge na yan, kulay gray. Napakahaba nun. Yun yata yung ginamit yan para magpapayo. We're right here at the deck of the boat of Star Princess. Kita-kita niyo yung San Francisco from here. Kagabi medyo maalon, tapos kanina umaga humupan. It's a nice weather. Ang lamig dito. Alcatraz, from the movie The Rock by Sean Connery and Nicolas Cage. Maaraw pero malamig ang simoy ng hangin. So up ahead you're gonna see the Bay Bridge. Ganda rin, no? Hello guys, so nandito na kami sa San Francisco, California. Nadaanan namin kanina yung famous Golden Gate Bridge and yung Alcatraz, nakita ko na. So ayan, makikita nyo, papunta na kami dun sa Bay Bridge, isa rin sa malaking bridge na ginawa dito sa San Francisco. Sabi ng father ko, ito yung pinakamahaba, pinakamalaking bridge dito sa Amerika. So it's nice being here. And sa mga gusto magbarko, keep living your dream. Basta positive lang. Isipin niyo makakarating din kayo sa mga gandang lugar na tulad nito. Ganda. Yan. Padak pa lang kami kasi. We're getting near the port. That is Bay Bridge. Bay Bridge, right? Bigger than Golden Gate. So nice. You can see Sindo here taking some videos. Pumi and Nova. Hi. We also have Lerato. How are you? Yeah. Bay Bridge and San Francisco. More scenic views here in San Francisco, California. And you can see there, we passed through earlier, the Golden Gate Bridge. Sakto na timingan ko kanina. Lumabas ako agad ng cabin para umakyat. Kasi pag nandito na malapit na kayo sa port, nagsasara na yung casino. Early nagsasara yan. Bay Bridge. And my co-workers from South Africa. Nova, Pumi, Sindo, and Lerato. We are now entering the port of San Francisco. At the backside, you can see the Golden Gate Bridge. We passed through there. At ito na, lumiligo na kami. Dito naman yung Bay Bridge. Haba, oh. The Golden State Warriors. Dito yun. Wow. Bukas, labas tayo. Lakad-lakad sa labas. Kung may mapuntahan, may makasama, sana makagala, makatingin ng ibang klaseng lugar dito. Ito na, pa-dock na kami. Galing talaga ng kapitan ng barko na patras. Tinira na naman ang patras tong pag-dock. Trivia pala, yun palang Golden Gate Bridge, kaya tinawag na Golden Gate. Yun yung gate na daanan papunta sa gold mine. Trivia yan, galing sa father ko. Galing. Golden Gate Bridge. We are now going to Pier 27, Alcatraz, and the new Bay Bridge. Yan. And you can see from my back, yan yung Oakland Bay Bridge. Napakahaba niya, no? Tatawid pa yan dito sa isang bundok. Galing. Yung ibang deck kasi ngayon sa taas, sarado na. Tsaka sa amin, sarado. So dito lang ako nag-video sa may side ng gym na. Galing. Wow.